Exploring the phrase, a ceremony of life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and profound phrase, a ceremony of life. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a powerful expression that can evoke deep feelings and reflections. Let's unravel its meaning together and explore how it can be used in the English language to enrich our conversations and writings. Stay tuned as we embark on this linguistic journey. At first glance, a ceremony of life might seem like a complex phrase. However, it's all about celebrating life's moments, big or small. A ceremony is a formal event, usually marked by ritual, tradition, or celebration, often held on significant occasions. When we talk about a ceremony of life, we're referring to any event or moment that celebrates aspects of living. This can range from birth to achievements, to simply appreciating the beauty of existence. Celebrations are a core part of human experience. They allow us to pause, reflect, and express gratitude for life's milestones and the journey itself. A ceremony of life emphasizes the importance of acknowledging and cherishing these moments. Whether it's a birthday, a graduation, or a quiet moment of reflection on a personal achievement, each of these acts as a ceremony, honoring the gift of life and the paths we tread. Incorporating a ceremony of life into your vocabulary can add depth to your conversations. Use it to describe moments that are worth celebrating, not just in your own life but in acknowledging the achievements and milestones of others. For instance, you could say, "Let's plan a ceremony of life for our grandmother's 90th birthday," to suggest a celebration that honors her life's journey. It's a phrase that encourages us to see the beauty in every day and to create meaningful rituals that recognize life's value. The phrase, a ceremony of life, is often used in literary and cultural contexts to explore themes of existence, celebration, and human connection. Writers and artists may use it to convey the idea that life itself is a series of ceremonies, each with its own significance and beauty. By understanding this phrase, you'll be able to appreciate its use in various forms of media and conversations, deepening your understanding of the English language and its nuances. Thank you for joining us as we explored a ceremony of life. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase but also inspired you to celebrate life's moments more deeply. Remember, life is a series of moments worth celebrating, and each one deserves its own ceremony. Keep this phrase in your heart as you go about your days, and let it remind you of the beauty and richness of life. Until next time, take care and keep celebrating life.